Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend images on Pixlr. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to blend and add one image onto another, then first of all, open up your web browser and then type in pixlr.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, once you're inside the Pixlr website, make sure you are logged into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top and using your credentials. After logging in, you will first need to remove the background of the picture that you wish to blend into the other one. So click on remove BG and then choose your photo. Once you upload your photo, the background will be removed automatically. You can then click on the save button to download this file from which the background has been removed. After this, go back and then click on Pixlr editor. Now within this editor, just click on open image and open up the image on which you want to blend the image that you have just removed the background from. After opening up the image, at the right side you will find the layers section. Click on the plus button at the bottom and then click on image. And now you can simply upload this image that you recently removed the background from. After uploading this image, you can resize and make any desired changes to this image. After repositioning your image, you may also edit the background layer with which you have chosen to blend this image. And once you make your desired edit, you can tap on the save button to save your changes and download this image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to blend images on Pixlr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.